I have a wig from Arabella hair. This was the elastic band that came inside. However, you guys know that I always take these out. Only keep them in if it's one of those like glueless type wig caps, where you actually really need to keep the elastic band in so that it can lay flat. But for my frontals, I don't really like to keep these. And plus, I don't have a braid down right now, letting my hair breathe, so it is a bit snug because I have my hair in a very low tight ball. So yeah, anyways, this is the hair packaging, satin baggy, and then it comes with these goodies. Usually they just send like an elastic band, a HD wig cap, and an edge brush. I don't typically use those things, you guys, to be completely honest with you guys. So this wig unit, as you could see, it's parted right here for some odd reason. I don't really know why, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair back. And this would be typically a quick and easy hair video because I'm not going to be doing the most with this wig install at all, you guys. So yeah, I just have this wig unit in the chocolate brown or chestnut brown, and it's in 26 inches, and that's pretty much all you guys need to know. And as you could see, it does have a wave to it, and I'm actually going to keep the waves for this hair video. I do have my T3 curler hooked up just in case I do want to like touch up the top area here. But other than that, oh, and also for the baby hairs, but other than that, this is going to be a super quick hair video, you guys. And I'm also going to be using the spray method, and yeah, so as you guys could see, this is how the wig lays on my head. So I would definitely have to, of course, cut into my wig unit so that I'm able to pull this down. So yeah. So that's how I make my wigs fit. I've been getting a lot of questions about doing hair reviews where it's like step by step of showing how I cut around my ear, but it's super easy for me to do it, you guys. So yeah, that's it, that's all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this hair video play, and